How to turn off Snapchat location. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about turning off the Snapchat location on Snapchat. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your account, and also make sure that the Snapchat application is up to date. Now you can pinch the camera screen using your 2 fingers to zoom out to open the Snap Map. Or you can tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner and then go to settings. And then tap on the gear icon to go to settings. From here, scroll down to the privacy control section and then tap on see my location, that is between activity indicator and family center. As you can see that I have not updated my location settings yet and I'm in ghost mode. But if your Snapchat location is turned on, you can toggle the ghost mode on and this will hide your location from all of your friends. Alternatively, you can go under who can see my location and choose only the friends to customize to limit who sees you. And remember that when ghost mode is on, Snapchat won't update or share your location. You can turn it off anytime by going back to Snap Map settings. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.